When Mr. Stonecipher first started Prepaid Legal Services, he had a vision to make legal protection affordable to millions of Americans. He is now watching that idea become a reality. Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated is truly an idea whose time has come. A U.S. News and World Report article said that the flood of lawsuits in America is rising, and the need for legal help and legal assistance for the average working American family is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Legal bills can be just as catastrophic as medical bills, and they're happening just as frequently. Consumer advocate David Horowitz says most people consult an attorney only when they absolutely have to. As a consequence, they sometimes find themselves in trouble they could have avoided if they could have just talked to an attorney first. The basic idea of making simple legal advice widely available at a reasonable cost makes a lot of sense, especially when good advice is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Judge Vincent Dalsimer of the Los Angeles County Superior Court has estimated that well over 50% of all civil trials would not be in court had both parties been advised by a lawyer, any lawyer, in advance. Rarely is there an occasion where both parties to litigation have competent attorneys advising them before the subject of the lawsuit occurred. Most people don't even have lawyers. They try to handle matters themselves. That's why they end up in my court. The Prepaid Legal Plan is one of the most comprehensive plans in the industry and provides great value to consumers. It also allows individuals and families access to quality legal services without the added worry of cost. From purchasing a home to estate planning, Prepaid Legal gives Americans the opportunity to protect their rights, property, and person in both their professional and personal lives. Hundreds of thousands of Americans have found it to be the right decision for their peace of mind, confidence, and security. Prepaid Legal Plans have helped restore balance to the scales of justice for almost 1 million members. The Prepaid Legal Plan offers you and your family an affordable benefit they will appreciate and use. For only $25 a month, you will have comprehensive legal protection for you and your family. America, it's up to you. Take charge of your life. Stop wasting your money defending needless lawsuits that could have been prevented if you had practiced preventive law and consulted an attorney early on. The Prepaid Legal Plan provides 5 major areas of benefits. The first major area of benefits are preventive legal services. Unlimited toll-free telephone consultations for personal and business-related matters, will preparation and updates, letters and phone calls on your behalf, as well as contract and document review. The second major area of benefits covers motor vehicle legal expense services, representation for moving traffic violations, tragic accident defense, defense of criminal charges resulting from operation of a moving vehicle, driver's license protection, and personal injury and property damage collection services. The third major area of benefits is trial defense. Trial defense provides an attorney to defend civil and work-related criminal lawsuits. From 75 hours up to 335 hours of legal representation included as part of the plan. Your fourth major benefit of the Prepaid Legal Plan includes IRS audit legal services, up to 50 hours of attorney time, and coverage includes last year's tax return. The fifth major area of benefit is the preferred membership discount. We know that when you're paying the bill, any amount of savings means a lot. For all other legal services, members receive a true 25% hourly discount through the provider attorneys. Problems such as divorce. Let's say your divorce cost you $4,000. The 25% discount saves you $1,000 off the total. That would really make a difference, wouldn't it? Other examples include pre-existing problems, bankruptcy, trusts, business incorporations, DUI, DWI, and drug-related matters. You may use your 25% discount and the unlimited toll-free consultation benefit for any legal matter not covered 100% in your membership. In short, the Prepaid Legal Plan offers you confidence and peace of mind while saving you money and worry. Here's what some satisfied members have to say about their prepaid legal service.
Well, Prepaid Legal has really helped us as a small business owner because I've had 2 instances already to use it in the last 10 months. One was a $3,000 money that I had to collect, and after I wrote them several times, I had Prepaid Legal contact them, and within 3 days we had our money from them.
To get started with your very own prepaid legal plan, call 1-800-61-LEGAL now. You'll receive your membership packet in the mail, including your gold membership card, along with all the information you need to get the maximum benefit from your very own prepaid legal plan. For just $25 a month, with a one-time enrollment fee of only $10, you can start enjoying peace of mind and legal protection without the added worry of cost. Enroll now on a monthly basis and we'll include this beautiful gold imprinted prepaid legal coffee mug. Or enroll for a year and receive this informative legal guide, The Family Legal Advisor. Over 500 pages of useful legal advice for you and your family. And it's yours absolutely free with your one-year prepaid membership. Call 1-800-61-LEGAL now. Operators are standing by right now to help you get started. That's 1-800-61-LEGAL. Call right now.
Now let's take some questions from our studio audience and find out what are some of your concerns regarding prepaid legal services. Yes, sir.
Yes, doesn't my own insurance, like my auto, my homeowners, or my business insurance already cover me if I get into trouble?
Well, to a point, yes, it does. And good insurance is very important these days, but let me ask you a question. If you were to go to court with one of these companies, who would you rather have representing you? An attorney who has your best interest in mind, or the insurance company's attorney? And who is the insurance company's attorney representing really? You or the insurance company? Somebody else? Yes, sir.
If I need to see an attorney face-to-face, does your plan allow it?
After consulting with your provider attorney and you and he agree that a face-to-face meeting would be beneficial, absolutely yes. Yes, ma'am.
I've received solicitations in the mail from companies like yours through credit card and department store mailings. Why should I choose your service?
Well, Prepaid Legal is actually the only company that provides coverage for both personal and business-related matters in one plan. And everything is covered, even pre-existing conditions under at least one of the major areas of benefits. Prepaid Legal is the only company that offers unlimited use of the major benefit, preventive legal services. You can enroll on a month-to-month basis, and of course, you may cancel at any time. Somebody over here? Yes, ma'am.
I own a trucking business, and your service sounds really great. Is there any way I can offer this to my employees?
Yes. Prepaid Legal is available to groups as a fringe benefit or on payroll deduction with 5 or more employees. Your employees are facing legal problems every day for which they are unprepared both financially and emotionally. Your employees' legal problems cost you money. The advantages your business can enjoy simply by offering a prepaid legal plan to your employees are reduced absenteeism, less use of medical benefits by reducing stress, increased productivity, lower insurance costs, and a positive image as a concerned and caring employer. In fact, our biggest customer is the state of Oklahoma. We have the payroll slot for voluntary payroll deduction for 68,000 state employees. Somebody else? Yes, sir.
If I sign up for this service, who exactly is covered? Can all my family use this service?
Yes. You and your spouse are covered along with never married children under the age of 21 living at home. Somebody else? Yes, ma'am.
How do I know I can save money with a prepaid legal membership?
Well, let me ask you a question. Would you rather spend $300 an hour on attorney's fees or $300 a year? One last question? Yes, sir.
Why should I join right now?
You know, it would be nice if we lived in a perfect world. However, the unfortunate reality is we live in a nation that experiences a lawsuit on average for every American household each year. You, your family, and your rights are dangerously vulnerable. The wise and wealthy do practice preventive law, shouldn't you? By practicing preventive law, we can all do our part to unclog our gridlocked judicial system and set the wheels of justice in motion for every citizen. Then, and only then, will we truly become one nation under God, indivisible with liberty and justice for all.
I think good, valuable benefits are hard to find. Affordable benefits are even harder to find. We chose Prepaid Legal as one of our employee benefits because it met those criteria and it provided what I consider to be a really necessary service to our people.
I chose Prepaid Legal Services as a benefit for our employees because we have so many employees with a number of personal problems. at home, not personal problems that can't be overcome, but some with which they needed help.
To get started with your very own prepaid legal plan, call 1-800-61-LEGAL now. You'll receive your membership packet in the mail, including your gold membership card, along with all the information you need to get the maximum benefit from your very own prepaid legal plan. For just $25 a month, with a one-time enrollment fee of only $10, you can start enjoying peace of mind and legal protection without the added worry of cost. Enroll now on a monthly basis and we'll include this beautiful gold imprinted prepaid legal coffee mug. Or enroll for a year and receive this informative legal guide, The Family Legal Advisor. Over 500 pages of useful legal advice for you and your family. And it's yours absolutely free with your one-year prepaid membership. Call 1-800-61-LEGAL now. Operators are standing by right now to help you get started. That's 1-800-61-LEGAL. Call right now.
Prepaid Legal really helped my husband and I. We purchased this little filly's mother, but she was so sick from the time we got her home. The seller sued us on the balance of the contract, yet we didn't feel we owed it because we had paid thousands of dollars in vet bills. We called our provider firm and they recommended us to an attorney who was a specialist in horse law. He got the seller to drop the lawsuit, reimburse us for our veterinary bills. It is wonderful having a company that'll still go the extra mile for you. Thank you, Prepaid Legal.
Through Prepaid Legal, I know that I can offer the employees an affordable benefit. Even if I couldn't afford to fringe it or to cover the full cost of it, it is a benefit that is truly affordable for the individual employee, and it gives that employee added protection, and also it raises morale. That employee knows that I care what happens to them and their families.
I have 2 daughters in college. If they have a traffic ticket, I don't have to worry about it. You know, I can make the phone calls I need to make, and I know it's taken care of.
Today's society, everything is so complex that unless you have access to an attorney, you're dealing with other people who do have that access and therefore have the competitive edge on you. In order to just be on an even playing field, I have to have access to an attorney.
Prepaid Legal is right up there with my car insurance, my medical insurance. I wouldn't be without it.
Justice for all. Rich and poor, no one's above the law. There's still justice for all. Stand and fight, take back your rights. America still needs justice for all.
With all the benefits that Prepaid Legal Services has to offer, and for such an affordable price, why wait to start giving yourself legal protection? Call 1-800-61-LEGAL today and start protecting your family, your estate, and your wallet. Thank you.
The preceding program was a paid advertisement for Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated by Joy Bruce, Independent Associate. This video may not be reproduced without the express written permission of Prepaid Legal Services and Joy Bruce.